East Memorial Baptist Church and East Memorial Christian Academy. The building is about 47,000 square feet, and we knew it was going to be a pretty good little project once we got started on it. The maintenance was just too much. I have one maintenance man. I had other projects for him to be doing besides replacing light bulbs all the time. Bulbs would be out every day. You'd be replacing fluorescent tubes every day, or a ballast every day. You couldn't keep enough in hand, and if you decide to do it one day a week, you'd spend all day long replacing bulbs and ballast out of it. We've not replaced a light bulb since they put them in. Teachers love it. They walk into a room and flip switch on and all the lights come on, not just 75% of them. And that has been a huge help for us. It's very cost effective for us. The payment our light bill's gone down more than the payment, which has been nice. Yeah, our power bill was running about $11,000 to $12,000 a month. And I've not seen over a $10,000 power bill this summer. Our maintenance has gone down tremendously. It has saved us money on our utility bills. My teachers are very happy that their lights work consistently in the classroom, and that has been huge for us.